So we just did another paint blot experiment, and I wanted to give you a slower version so you can see all the nuance to the color, all the different shades. So we're calling these Faerie Wing journals. They're going to be like mini 4-inch by 5 or 6-inch journal covers. So we're going to put paper on the inside. So this is mine. And we love this paint by Artist Loft. It's, if you can see that, it's called Color Shift. We've never used it before recently, and we really like it. And then this is Stephanie's. I really like how it turned out. And when these paints dry, it looks even cooler because the colors really come out. So maybe we'll upload some pictures when they're done. And then this is Rowan's that she did. It also turned out really cool. See if I can zoom in on the colors. I love the gold. And you see how there's a gradient of color. It's so pretty. And then we're gonna make like little mini sketch pads for journals. So cute. It only takes a few minutes. Highly recommend. Check out our short where you can see the time lapse of how we did it. All right, we will talk to you later. Bye.